Hello friends, welcome to my finance class. Today I'll teach you annuity, which is another very important concept of time value of money. Annuity is the fixed amount of money received or paid for a particular period of time. For example, one may deposit $1,000 each for 1 through 5 years, or one may receive $250 annually for 3 years. It could be either of the way, either receiving or depositing. So the annuity period can range from yearly, that is once a year, to semi-annually, that is twice a year, to quarterly, that is 4 times a year, to monthly, that is once a month. So in other words, annuities are continuous series of stipulated amount of money paid or received over a stipulated time period in future. So there are two types of annuity. They are ordinary annuity and annuity due. In ordinary annuity, the stipulated periodic payments, they are made at the end of the period. For example, in case of mortgage payments or interest payments to bondholders. On the other hand, in annuity due, the stipulated periodic payments are made in the beginning of the period. For example, lease. Now, I'll show you how to solve for present value also and for future value also. First, I'll explain you how to solve present value of an annuity. So here we have been given one problem, that is a contract will pay 2000 at the end of each year. So at the end of each year means ordinary annuity for 3 years, and the appropriate discount rate is 8%. So what is the fair price for the contract? So normally the formula applies here is, that is present value of an annuity equals to PMT multiplied by 1 minus present value factor upon R, that is interest rate. So this present value factor is explained here, that is PMT, it is the payment made, that is 2000 here. Now 1 minus 1 plus R to the power minus N, or in simple terms we can say 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus R to the power N upon interest rate. Put the values in the formula and it is solved with the help of this formula. To make it more simple, how I can solve it with the help of Excel function. So I have taken another example to show you how to solve this question with the help of Excel function. The question given here is that determine the present value of an annuity of $3,000 received annually. So PMT is $3,000 for 5 years. So number of periods are 5 years at 10% capitalization rate. So the interest rate is 10%. So how to solve it? It is simply solved by applying the syntax given here, that is PV. We'll select the function. Now according to the syntax we'll enter the values. First is rate, that is 10%, comma, NPER is 5 years, comma, PMT is 3000, comma, type will be 0, bracket closed, put the enter. Now you see the value is in negative because we have taken this PMT in positive. So we have to put the opposite sign here, that is negative. Enter it. You see the positive value has come. So this way we'll solve the present value of annuity. Thank you.